Which decade is named as the Decades of Healthy Aging as per the World Health Organization WHO? Answer B. 2020 to 2030. What is the theme of the World Space Week 2020? Answer B. Satellites Improve Life. When is the World Development Information Day celebrated every year? Answer C. 24 October. Which special day is observed on October 24 every year to honor the virologist Jonas Salk? Answer B. World Polio Day. The week from 27 October to 2nd November 2020 is being observed as which special week in India? Answer B. Vigilance Awareness Week. On which date the state of Kerala, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Karnataka were formed? Answer B. 1st November. Which festival is also called Dhanvantri Jayanti? Answer B. Dhanteras. What is the theme of the National Ayurveda Day 2020? Answer A. Ayurveda for COVID-19. What is the theme of the World Diabetes Day 2020? Answer B. The nurse and diabetes. November 16 is observed as National Press Day to honor which institutions? Answer A. Press Council of India. What is the theme of the International Civil Aviation Day from 2020 to 2023? Answer A. Advancing innovation from global aviation development. Where is the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas convention to be held this year? Answer C. Virtual format. The Swarnim Vijay Masal has been listed by the Prime Minister of India to commemorate which historic event? Answer A. Indo-Pak War. When is the International Migrant Day observed every year? Answer D. 18 December. The birth anniversary of which freedom fighter is to be celebrated as Parakram Divas every year? Answer B. Subhash Chandra Bose. Amrut Mahotsav, which has seen in news recently, is the celebration of which event? Answer B. 75th year of India's independence. Which day is observed on February 10 and August 10 every year in India? Answer A. National Deworming Day. What is the theme of the National Safety Day 2021? Answer B. Sadak Suraksha. What is the theme of the International Women's Day 2021? Answer C. Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 World. What is Nowruz? Answer B. Iranian and Persian New Year Festival. What is the theme of World Hearing Day 2021? Answer A. Hearing Care for All. The International Waste Pickers Day is observed on which date? Answer A. 1st March. What is the theme of World Wildlife Day 2021? Answer A. Forest and livelihood sustaining people and planet. What is Nowruz? Answer B. Iranian and Persian New Year Festival. What is the theme of the World Development Report 2021? Answer A. Data for Better Lives. When is the International Day of Conscience celebrated by the UN? Answer A. 5 April. What is the theme of the World Immunization Week 2021? Answer A. Vaccines bring us closer. When is the International Firefighters Day observed every year? Answer B. 4 May. What is the theme of National Technology Day 2021? Answer A. Science and Technology for a Sustainable Future. Which month is commemorated as the Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month in the US? Answer B. May. What is the theme of National Technology Day 2021? Answer A. Science and Technology for a Sustainable Future. Anti-Terrorism Day is observed on May 21 in India every year to commemorate the anniversary of which leaders? Answer D. Rajiv Gandhi. When is the World Turtle Day observed every year? Answer A. 23rd May. When is the Global Day of Parents observed by the UN? Answer A. 1st June. Which country plays host to the World Blood Donor Day 2021 events? Answer C. Italy. When does the United Nations observe the International Day of Family Remittance? Answer C. 16 June. What does Juneteenth donate? Answer A. Emancipation of African American slavery. What is the theme of the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2021? Answer B. Share facts on drugs, save lives. When is the International Day in support of victims of torture observed every year by UN? Answer A. 26 June. Which date is August is celebrated as World Biofuel Day? Answer A. 10th August. Which date is August is observed as World Organ Donation Day? Answer D. 13 August. Which date of August has been declared as Participation Horrors Remembrance Day? Answer D. 14 August. Which state UT celebrated DU Job Transfer Day on 16 August? Answer C. Puducherry. Which date of August is observed as Patriots Day is the state of Manipur? Answer D. 13 August. The UN International Day of Charity on 5th September is observed to commemorate the death anniversary of which leaders? Answer B. Mother Teresa. Which state government has decided to celebrate September 17 as Social Justice Day? Answer A. Tamil Nadu. On which date National Forest Martyrs Day is observed? Answer B. 11 September. On which date World First Aid Day 2021 was observed? Answer B. 11 September. On which date World Bamboo Day is observed? Answer B. 18 September.